Okay, so here question is at what temperature is the Fahrenheit scale reading is equals to twice of Celsius scale reading. So basically Fahrenheit scale reading is equals to twice of Celsius scale reading. We have to find out this particular temperature either in Fahrenheit scale or in centigrade scale at any scale you can measure. So what is the relationship between F and C, Fahrenheit scale and centigrade scale? That is F minus 32 divided by 9 is C by 5, right? This is the relation. Now just put the value 2C in place of F. So 2C minus 32 divided by 9 is equals to C by 5. Now cross multiply. So 10C minus 160 is equals to 9C. So finally we will get C is equals to 160 degrees centigrade. So that particular temperature is in centigrade scale 160 degrees centigrade, and in Fahrenheit scale you can also measure. For that case you can just put the value of C in this equation, like 2 into C means 2 into 160. Now it is in Fahrenheit scale, so 320 degree Fahrenheit. So in Fahrenheit scale that particular temperature is 320 degree Fahrenheit, and in centigrade scale it is 160 degree centigrade. Okay, thank you.